Hi guys, so I'm Robin Hall. I'm a secondary social studies education major, and I'm hoping to teach US history and government, but I'll take wherever I get placed, but those are my two top choices. So my beliefs about technology integration in my classroom, I think integrating technology is super important. I think just the way we are in America and in the world, we rely so much on technology that if I don't integrate it into my classroom, I think I will be behind and my students will be behind. And that's not what I want. I think some of the things that we learned to use in this class were not best suited for secondary, and that's all right, but I think some things were great, especially the collaborative and interactive tools that we learned to use. So, my four best work examples are Nearpod, S'more, memes, and the PBL lesson plan. I really enjoyed Nearpod because I thought it was better than PowerPoint and I actually thought it was easier to use. And it has so many interactive features like quizzes and open-ended questions that my students can work along with me and can give answers and get automatic feedback. But if I am just speaking from a PowerPoint, they can't. S'more is a great way to introduce my classroom and introduce myself. So I think when I have my classroom, that would be a great way to make my newsletter and anything else that I need to get out to parents and to students or even other educators. The memes were fun. I thought that they were really cool to make. The app I used was super easy, super simple to navigate. And memes are really popular right now, so I think my students would really enjoy using those and being able to create their own. I think they would have a lot of fun with that. And the PBL lesson plan was awesome. I had never heard of that before, but I'm really glad that we got the chance to learn that because I think that would be great for my students, especially in government with the ideas that I had. And I hope to be able to integrate those kind of things into my classroom later. So, how I'm going to use technology in my classroom? Well, kind of like I said with those four things, I really want to use interactive tools and things like that. I want my class to work together. I kind of want my classroom to be a community. I want everyone to feel comfortable working together and knowing how to work together as a team. So, reflecting on W200 and my future ideas for technology integration, I thought the class was really cool. There was a lot of work, and that's okay because we learned some awesome things. And honestly, coming to this class, I didn't know much. And I'm really glad that I got the chance to do all of these awesome things, and my progress was a lot better than I ever expected. And I didn't realize that I didn't know so many things, but it's awesome because I can just keep learning. And I think a lot of these things that we got to use, I will be able to use in my future classroom, which is so important because if I go into my classroom without knowing anything, I'm going to be behind my students, and that's not what I want. I want my classroom to be fun. I want my classroom to be up to date and just good for everybody. Thank you guys.